KFC Feast with black bean sauce. Legit everything. Fried chicken leg drowned in jajang sauce. Holy mama! One bite chicky. She took the bigger half. Spicy fried chicky sandwich. Gravy. I know y'all want some. Giant express dunked in jajang sauce. Oh, she's a thick one. Blended potatoes in not gravy. Chicky pot pie. She ate all the damn crust. But wait, there's more. Mommy went to the car to get her nudes, 'cause we still had a lot of sauce left. Ball of nudes. But we ain't done yet. Fried chicky tendies. One bite tendy. Can't forget coleslaw for health.